Welcome to The Visual Alchemist, a student's guide to modifying images with ChatGPT. This video is about unlocking the power of AI to turn your ideas into reality. Words are your new brush. AI has transformed image editing from a technical skill to a linguistic one. You can edit photos like a designer without needing complicated tools or Photoshop skills. How does it work? ChatGPT uses AI models that combine computer vision and language processing. It understands context, not just pixels. For example, if you type, "Make the sky sunset orange," the AI identifies the sky and applies the concept of sunset automatically. The alchemist's process consists of 5 simple steps to transform any image. No layers, no masks, just selection and conversation. You upload or generate the image, open the editor, select the area, describe the change, and then save. Learn the art of disappearance. You can remove unwanted objects, people, wires, or stains. The AI fills the empty space naturally, like magic. Here, a simple text prompt removes the man in the background. You can also conjure objects, insert new items into existing photos, and the system maintains consistent lighting and shadows so the object looks real, such as adding a puppy near the chair in this example. Teleportation allows you to change the setting without changing the subject. Transform day into night, a home into a beach, or a classroom into space, simply by describing the new background you want. Reality Reimagined means you can convert real photos into different art styles. This is perfect for creative school projects, posters, or YouTube thumbnails, allowing you to instantly generate anime, oil painting, or 3D renders. The digital wardrobe lets you redesign appearances, change shirt colors, fix hair, add glasses, or swap uniforms for costumes, instantly generating the desired look on your subject. Polish and publish your work. AI can restore blurry images by sharpening and increasing brightness. It can also generate accurate text inside images for typography on posters and cards. The power of iterative editing means you don't have to get it right the first time. Keep talking to the image, refining it step by step to achieve the final result you envision. To cast the perfect spell, you need a good prompt. Pro tips include being specific, mentioning the location to change, and using small step-by-step instructions rather than one long command. Your creative edge is waiting. Use this skill to visualize history scenes, design attractive posters, and create unique YouTube thumbnails, moving beyond standard clip art for all your assignments. This is the future of creativity. Modifying images is now as easy as describing your imagination. You are the director, and the AI is your artist. An idea in your mind becomes a reality in seconds. Start creating today. Upload a photo, try a prompt, and see what happens. The future of creativity is conversational.